Welcome back to our special show, Election Highway. We've just got some breaking news, and this is related to the Supreme Court granting interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal, which did take everyone by surprise. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, has spoken to ANI, and he has shared his thoughts as well. He said that even the people across the country feel that special treatment perhaps has been given to the Chief Minister of the state. Listen in.
मैं तो मानता हूं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का स्पष्ट रूप से कंटेम्प्ट है। इनका कहने का मतलब है जो विजयी होता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट उनको दोषी होने के बावजूद भी जेल नहीं भेजती। अब जिन जज साहबों ने उनको जमानत दी है उनको ये सोचना है कि उनके जजमेंट का क्या उपयोग या दुरुपयोग हो रहा है।
आप उस जजमेंट के बारे में क्या कहेंगे? इंटरिम बेल,
देखिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट को अधिकार है न्याय की व्याख्या करने का,
पर पहली बार हो रहा है कि
मगर मैं मानता हूं ये रूटीन और नॉर्मल प्रकार का जुडिशियल जजमेंट नहीं है। काफी लोग देश में मानते हैं कि स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट दिया गया है।
All right, the Home Minister Amit Shah also took a swipe and taunted the Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal over the recent Swati Malipal assault case. In fact, he alleges that Kejriwal's priorities is perhaps misplaced. Let's listen in.
वो जिस इशू में फंसे हैं वो राज्यसभा की मेंबर हैं स्वाति जी।
देखिए, मैं इस पर टिप्पणी करना नहीं चाहता। अगर कोई पुलिस को कंप्लेन करता है तो पुलिस उसका संज्ञान देगी, मगर मैं इतना ही कहता हूं कि अभी उनको बेचारे को जिस इश्यू में फंसे इससे निपटारा लाने दीजिए। काहे को ये सब में उलझाती है?
पर वो है ना 20 दिन और बाहर हैं। उन्होंने कहा है कि अगर
इश्यू अभी तो चल रहा है ना, देखिए कितना चलता है। इसके हर हिस्से से समर्थन प्राप्त हो।
Arun Dhanda joins us now for the very latest. Arun, very interesting. The Home Minister hitting out at the Chief Minister, accusing him of having misplaced priorities as far as the campaign is concerned. But what I found interesting is that he also shares his thoughts about the unprecedented decision by the Supreme Court of granting Arvind Kejriwal interim bail. All right, Arun, can you hear me?
Yes. If you can please repeat your question.
I was asking that Amit Shah breaking his silence on that big decision by the Supreme Court, the huge order that caught everyone by surprise. It's interesting that the Home Minister is also taking a swipe at the Chief Minister, accusing him of having misplaced priorities at such a crucial time when Aam Aadmi Party is campaigning for the elections.
Well, see, we all know that how opposition parties are, in fact, taking this on a very positive note that Arvind Kejriwal has got that interim bail from the Supreme Court. But BJP has been maintaining this, and Amit Shah, even in the past, had said that this is just an interim bail, and after 1st of June, you will find him behind the bars once again. So BJP has been very open about it, that he will not be able to sign any, he will not be able to do any chief ministerial work. It's just a bail which will last for 1 month, and post one he will be behind the bars. So there is no clean chit which opposition parties are saying being given by the courts.
Yes, and that has been made very clear by the Supreme Court. It's an interim bail. He's been granted relief temporarily only for campaigning. Arun, thanks so much for joining us. We have to take a short break. We did digress from the Odisha politics. We'll come back and talk lots more. Stay tuned.